Today I'm going to show you how to edit HTML in a WordPress theme. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to access and tweak your site's theme HTML safely and confidently right from your WordPress dashboard. This is a super useful skill whether you want to fine-tune the look of your site, add your own code, or just understand what's going on behind the scenes. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's head to your WordPress dashboard. Look for the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll see an option called Appearance. Go ahead and click on that. Appearance is really the command center for anything to do with how your site looks, so you'll almost always start here if you want to change something visual about your WordPress site. Once you're in Appearance, you'll spot an option labeled Editor. Click into the editor. This is where you get direct access to your theme's files and content. Your heart might skip a beat seeing all of those theme files, but don't worry. WordPress does a good job of keeping things organized, and you won't have to touch any confusing code unless you really want to. The editor lets you choose exactly what part of your theme you want to work on. Now you'll notice that your theme is made up of different blocks. These are the building blocks of your page, everything from paragraphs, images, buttons, or even more complex layouts. Scroll through and select the particular block that you want to edit. Maybe it's a header you want to add a special style to, or perhaps you want to insert a line of code into a text block. Selecting a block first is crucial, because you only want to change what needs changing, not the whole page's code, just like you wouldn't want to repaint your entire house if you just want to update the front door. Once your block is highlighted, look toward the top right corner of your editor. You'll find a set of 3 vertical dots. These are often called the More Options menu. It's sort of like the Swiss Army knife of WordPress blocks. It hides a lot of powerful features. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. A menu will pop out, and here you should see an option called Code Editor. Select that. Switching to the code editor peels back the visual design and lets you see and edit the raw HTML that's powering your block. If you've ever wondered how a recipe looks behind the scenes before it's all cooked and pretty, this is the view you're getting. Take a deep breath here. HTML might look intimidating at first, but it's just structured text, and WordPress keeps it pretty readable. Now you can change the HTML code for this block as you need. Maybe you want to add a link, insert a custom class name, or clarify some formatting that a visual editor won't let you tweak. Edit away. Just remember, a little care goes a long way. Make small changes, and if you're ever uncertain, make a backup or jot down what you started with so you can easily undo if needed. When you're satisfied with your changes, there's just one more thing to do: save. Look for the Save button, usually at the top right or bottom right, and give it a click. WordPress will update your theme with your edits. Sometimes it might take a few seconds for changes to apply, so don't worry if you don't see results instantly. And there you go. You've just edited HTML in your WordPress theme like a pro, all from within your dashboard without touching any scary external files. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any snags or have other WordPress questions. And of course, hit subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your website edits.